So this is the second in our patient-related personal interest and clinical follow-up videos, right?
Yes.
And I went skiing last week, right before the coronavirus shut down all the ski resorts.
Right after your vacation.
Right after my vacation, but this was a work vacation. And I posted on the forums, and we had a couple people come see me for consultations in Utah. And I'm getting older, and I'm not as good as I used to be, so I put up a thing, if you can ski a particular run better than me, and it's easier now than it used to be. I used to be really pretty good.
What happened to you again?
Getting a little older, working with you. That I'd give you $1,000 off for the surgery. And so the only taker on that was a patient that we did, 10 years ago.
I think it's been like that, yeah.
Yeah, and it's a female, and here she is before, and then here's her case, and then here she is. She sent pictures in at about 17 or 18 months, and then here she is standing beside me after the challenge run. Right here, she kept her goggles on. She wanted to see her face.
She wanted a facelift?
She wants something done, and but it was a toss-up. My niece and my friend judged, and I'm not sure she was better than me. So, but we offered her $500 off whenever she wants to, because she tried. She showed up and she tried. So here, this is kind of interesting. We skied out on the Cirque at Snowbird, and I've done that area a lot of times, and this is the first time it's been sunny without a lot of wind, because usually it spooks me. It's a nice little drop off, and so we went way out, and then here's my buddy standing waiting for our patient, and then you look around, and she took the low road and had to hike up, and so maybe she was tired because of this. 47 years old, free lift ticket. So you got 8 more feet to get to the top. She's really sucking wind there, right? And so as soon as she gets to the top, I said, let's go. And so it was probably a 7 or 8 foot little jump into the powder, and then we skied down to the bottom, and then here was our picture, and she did fine. I don't think she did as well as I did, but I didn't do as well as I did last year or the year before that. We'll come up with something. But this is another
and then
personal...
you mentioned, you come in for a consult later on, and we'll put it on for this whole year.
I don't know about that. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.